Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Wake the iPhone and unlock it so gestures are active. Make sure you understand the gesture zone, the top right corner beside the battery and signal indicators, because that's where you'll swipe. If the control center doesn't appear, open Settings, tap Control Center, and confirm it's allowed. Once done, place your thumb or finger near the top right edge so your first downward swipe will register cleanly and reliably. With the screen unlocked, perform a single, steady swipe down from the top right corner. This pulls the control center onto the display. You're using one smooth motion rather than multiple flicks, which prevents accidental notification center pulls. Once visible, tap the quick icons to toggle features like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, or press and hold to reveal more controls for volume, brightness, or connected devices so you can fine-tune settings without opening the Settings app. To finish, dismiss the control center by swiping up or tapping an empty area. This returns you to your app immediately. If the control center won't open, restart the iPhone because a reboot resolves many gesture glitches. Make sure Control Center is enabled in Settings, and if problems persist, reset gesture options or update iOS to repair software conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: disable reachability if it interferes with top edge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.